Hi guys, my name is Larison. Welcome to my winter weekend. This is the first video on this channel. I want to say that I started this channel to learn English. It should help me. I will be glad if you would like to help me with advice. And other videos I will try to tell more about myself. So, my weekend was a walk with my sister. We walked and I watched her skate. Then we went to the store for snacks and spent the evening at home. It snowed recently. It might be the last on this year. On the second day, we were in a very small and cozy coffee shop. It's my favorite place in the city. Our adventures continued with a trip out of town. We went outdoors to the river. And we met cute horses. One of them looked like it was going to bite me. It was something relaxing to be here. I feel happy in nature. It's so good view. Soon we left for home. I spent the remaining time at home with my cat and notebook and cleaning. If you watched it, thank you. I hope this wasn't trouble. See you!